Johnny POV was a guide in Pavernatuk. In the summer of 1959, he and his wife, Akanese Novalinka, along with a group of men and women, built a kayak. It began with the frame that was either newly made or repaired from a previous year. Akanese and the women sewed together sealskins to make a cover that was draped over the upside-down kayak frame. The two sides were lashed together across the top, which was now underneath. Then the kayak was turned right side up to finish the job. Women sewed the top skins to the laced part. When the sewing was done, the kayak was taken out again, and the women scrutinized it for holes that needed patching. Then the men put in the wooden cockpit frame. Finally, the newly made kayak was turned upside down and put up on a rack to dry. The building of Johnny POV's kayak was photographed by Hudson's Bay Company photographer Frederica Knight. The Hudson's Bay Company Archives are making an effort to identify Indigenous people in its photograph collection. If you recognize anyone in these photographs or have further knowledge that you would like to share, please contact the HBC Archives.